You are now about to witness the strength of street knowledge.
Straight out of calculus, student named Alex. Check your notes so you know what's next. The tangent of the line is the limit, and if this is a contest, I'd win it. Zeros don't study, they be sinning G, as their grades approach negative infinity. Like a deriv gets its power dropped one. You still got 10 units to go, why'd you stop, son? Study this with concentration. Kick it up, second derivs, acceleration, and integrate to get the position. With this review, you'd be wishing you heard this song before, cause you don't want any F's no more. What's in store? Units 2 through 4, and I'm staying strong, always honest. Like the limit of a constant's a constant.
Cause I'm super hot, boy.
If you slacking, something's amiss. Boy, did you know there's rules to this? Some indifference, quotient and product. You didn't review it, then what's up? Sine, cosine, tangent, square the secant. Sleep and think you'll pass honestly. He can't, cause there's rules that you need to memorize. If you have any hope at trying to derive, study calculus and maybe you'll survive. I'm the second semester senior and I'm coming straight out of calculus, moving like a vector. Second semester, so it's time for a lecture. At my max, the deriv is 0. Exponential growth with my De Niro, and it's stacking up at such a rate. You need a derivative to calculate and solve for the t. But if you were integrating, don't forget the c. Cause at that point you don't know the value. Confusing like a vector, you don't know how to find the length, that's the magnitude. Screw with the sum of the squares, no attitude. SL2 but still probability, that's prob stats, and it's killing me. Like the vector dot product A and B, like the only way to find a degree. Dot product magnitudes A and B, cosine vectors in panometric form of our line as I pass through a point. Like a system of equations up in this joint, with A position and B direction. Perfect score on the test, no corrections. Vectors dot product equal to 0, perpendicular, equal to each other at that point, that's for sure. You don't need to be telling me a constant vector is R equals A plus TB.
Straight out of calculus is a student that is like no other, solving equations one after another. The math we're doing makes you kids quail, and if you can't see that, you need braille. I never hesitate when I see a problem. I see an integral, yo, I don't dodge them. Just play it smart, think about it, takes a while. And when I see that it derives, I smile. To me it's kinda funny, these dudes thinking it's all about deriving, but don't know how to integrate. You'll meet your fate when you meet the one they call Jackson. So I'ma give to you the knowledge that you lack some. First you take the exponent and you add 1, then divide the coefficient by the new sum. Add the plus c if the integral's indefinite. Get this done cause your GPA is delicate. If the integral's definite, take another step, plug in b and a and subtract instead. This gives you the area under the curve. If you can't get this, your grades are gonna swerve. I've never seen a transcript die, but I guess that's the difference between you and I. In a year or so I might say I forgot that, cause when I come back, boy, I'm coming straight out of the top stack. And subtract instead.
On that day, I don't know. I mean, if there's anything that I have due between the ninth.
3, 2, 1.
To me it's kind of funny. These dudes thinking it's all about deriving, but don't know how to integrate. You'll meet your fate when you meet the one they call Jackson. So I'm gonna give you
The knowledge you lack, son, boy!
I'm trying to do stuff.
Jackson doing nothing.
It's
Yeah,
in terms of
slide down this. Alright, I'm gonna unpause it.
You used to call me on my. You used to. Yeah. You used to call me on my cell phone.
Spit it out of calculus.
Ain't that when you
These pants don't slide.